320 ABR. It's a little puffy. Yeah, it's been in the laptop for 4 years and it failed. I typically don't unplug it like I'm supposed to from the wall. I keep it plugged in, and it almost exploded, but it's fat. It cracked a little bit where I have my trackpad to the left of it. It's a little cracked, but I turned it off and I replaced it. I replaced the battery. That was the last update, and I just changed the hard drive to SSD. I'm going to be showing in another video, but it's pretty easy. There's two on Amazon. I bought the one that starts with the B. It's powerful. It comes with two tools and some space and some plastic edge pieces to be able to take your back case, the bottom case, off the laptop. You gotta take some screws off. You gotta slide out the CD case, and then you gotta take the bottom, do the clips all the way around. Then when you get open, you can unscrew this guy. It just sits in the corner, on the right hand corner. So it would be on the left hand side if you're looking from the laptop side. But it comes with instructions on how to charge it and take it off. You gotta charge it a few times, take it off of power, charge it. And, you want to be between 20% and 80%. Sometimes 100, but no lower than 20%. And turn it, plug it in, unplug it, plug it in. That's how the battery lasts longer. It's lasted for a good 4 years. But just be careful out there. I just want to let people know that's pretty easy to update. And in case you don't want to buy a new laptop, this is a good idea to do. Alright, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe, also, see you later.